Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to install some spacers for the X5. So I got some, I believe, let's see, some 20 millimeter on the back and 15 up front. I'm gonna install one side and then we're gonna compare it to the side, opposite side, and see how it's gonna look. Alright guys, I don't know, what do you think? That's with the spacer, and that's without a spacer. See the back one? And then here, back one. I don't know, honestly I think the back one is good now. As you can see, so I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna do the other side. I'll drive for some time like this. Let's see if I like it. I don't know. If I lower that, I feel like the front is a little bit sticking out too much. Some guys will like this. I don't know if I do. So I don't know. We'll see. But I'm gonna do this side and then drive for a minute and see. Alright, so here's the final results. So I don't know what you guys think. I don't know, I think the front ones are sticking out a little bit more than what I like. They're 15, so I'm thinking about maybe 10 or 7.5 up front. I mean, they're flush, but I don't know.